Hello everyone, welcome back to AutoTrend TV. I am your Viprajesh again. In this video, I would like to talk about the 2021 Hyundai Santa Fe, which has been teased in a new preview image. Hyundai has released a new teaser image for the fascia of the upcoming 2021 Hyundai Santa Fe, which hints at the new design language of Hyundai. Key among the changes is a new look Hyundai grille, marking the first big step away from the cascading design that has evolved over the past decade. The new grille extends across the face of the new Santa Fe, tapering at each end to merge with the driving light housings. Also, two different versions of the grille's gloss black patterning are shown in two different images. The 2021 Santa Fe also receives new T-shaped LED DRLs. This new front fascia design is expected to feature on all future Hyundai models. The new 2021 Hyundai Santa Fe is also expected to feature premium interior updates, while also bringing in a 3.5-liter V6 powertrain from the Australian market. On the other hand, the new Santa Fe is also expected to feature a turbo diesel option with an all-wheel drive system. The new Santa Fe is expected to be launched by late 2020 or early 2021. So that was all about the newly teased 2021 Hyundai Santa Fe. Do let me know in the comment section below what do you think about this new Hyundai design language. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe for more videos. If you like this video, click the like buttons and give your comments.